Hello my friend, my name is Irina Björner and I created for Bell Books, Books for Easy Living. And today it's a small program about very exciting thing, how to avoid the circles around the eyes. And everybody, woman, I think we heard about serum, which is small bottles and it costs more than $100. But serum, it means serum you can make yourself at home. How? You take the, it's called in Danish kernemælk, it's just milk product like a fresh yogurt. You can use the acidophilus or you can use the sour milk. And you put for 100 degrees. Open this, of course, open this and then put in the oven with 100 degrees for 1 hour. And then it will be separation of the more like a quark, it comes up, and then this part it comes some water. This water, it is serum. That is what I make yesterday. And it has a little bit sour taste and it's very good for the hair. Look at my hair. I washed them yesterday with the serum. It's shining. And it's very good for your face. So we take a little bit this serum in the tampon and then we put this in the face and just leave under the eyes, of course, and then we will leave for 10 minutes and it's all. And then I will use tea. Today it's green tea with the apples, and this tea I will use to clean my face later. But 10 minutes, and you can use for décolleté. You can use also if you take the piece of clothes, so you can use this in the serum and then you can put this around décolleté for some time, but remember it should not be cold. So 10 minutes later you can see what happens. It's a miracle. So you can make your own serum as much as you like. Why it's working? Because it's from the separation it takes the proteins, which is very small molecules now, and then when you put this on your skin it penetrates inside the skin very easy. You save more than $100 because this is cost less than $1. And remember, in the oven 100 degrees 1 hour, and then you make the separation with some tea and piece of clothes and put this there, and then you just make this liquid. You can use this liquid to wash your face. I washed my hair yesterday with this liquid. And then you can use this for your feet, because I produced a lot yesterday. From 1 liter it comes 2 glasses of this serum. And you can use this also for your décolleté. And of course it will be better for your face and for your skin, and especially around your eyes. So 10 minutes later I come and wash my hands and I show you the result. See what happens, that after 10 minutes all lines is gone. You feel fresh, and I clean my face with this method used. It's called whey. This serum it's called whey, and this method used in Switzerland a lot, and people in Switzerland, they have very good hair. Look at my hair, it's very shiny and nice, and it's because of this serum. And of course your face will be much more fresh and better without lines. Use this serum which called milk whey, also from milk, and be happy. Bell Books, Books for Easy Living with Irina Björner. See our new books online.